Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela ba Preston Tan Song ulapan pau ba usngau Iahap la raja ba urlong shisha kajing tmu ban la penlong election ha Kajuh kapor ha Baroh Kawei kari. Haba kran bakilat patai kubor ba Preston ula ongru balada la ban le kumta kan yarap haduk kata-kata batkan penduna ya kajing lut badru ya kapor.
That we don't know yet. See, it has not come officially for the debate, be it in the parliament or be it in the state assembly. So I can't comment anything on that. But of course, my personal opinion is, if we have one election, one nation, I think we'll be able to save a lot of time. We will be able to save a lot of funds, and we'll be also able to save a lot of manpower where we need to ultimately, once you have election, you understand, even model code of conduct has to be implemented every 6 months or every 7 months, which ultimately it affects the overall developmental program of be it the central government or the state government.
So,
okay, thank you.
Shillong